Hello, so I am back with another video and I'm about to make me just a backdrop with this wrapping paper, and I just wanted to show you guys how I did it. Very cheap and affordable way to create you a look. Let's go. And I don't have a chair, so we're gonna rig this up. So you just go and get you some wrapping wallpaper from Walmart or Dollar Tree. You grab you some tape. You would just want to unwrap it far as possible. I hope y'all can see me. Okay. Y'all can. And I wouldn't try this at home. But if you don't have a chair, then you have no choice. Oh, fuck. And then you do dumb shit like that, and then you have to start over or go to the other side. Which is okay. You will get another one, and you would do the same thing. This do not have to be perfect at all, y'all. Like, this is just for, you want to take some pictures. Boom. And boom. You got you a red backdrop. Even though they're small, but they're still like thick. I don't know, I can't explain, but my hair is real thick, but they're not just thick, but yeah. So I get my hair twisted every 6 months, and I'm just a mess right now. I'm sorry. I get my hair twisted every 3 to 6 months, every 3 to 4 months, and I just try to wash it like once a month. Yeah. So I'm trying to think of what else. I love my hair. I don't think I be saying I want to cut my hair, but I don't think I want to cut it no time soon. Like, I want it to grow long, like all down my back. So you guys, just send me any questions that y'all have, and I'm going to do a watch me make a backdrop video next. So yeah, check that out. Hey y'all, see, I am getting ready to show out. For real though. No, seriously. Okay. Only reason you knew what was going on because you seen the video, right? And you see that little piece right there. But I'm gonna slide this over just like this. Slide that over. And boom. You got yourself a nice little photo shoot. Don't say I ain't tell you nothing. Now you need to like this video and subscribe because I'm putting you on game now. Like, I'm gonna do a real classy photo shoot, y'all. And stay tuned because I'm gonna post a picture.